It's snowing. Good morning from Blanding, Utah. I left Moab area this morning at about 5:45, and it's currently 6:45, so it's been an hour. I'm almost to like Monument Valley area. I had some plans to do some walking around that area this morning, around sunrise, but it's snowing. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do at this point, but I'm hoping that the snow offers some really cool photography opportunities. The only thing is Monument Valley will not open their visitor center and the walking trail if there's inclement weather, which this is considered that. So that's why I was saying, like, I'm gonna have to change all my plans this morning because I'm not gonna be able to get there. I'm a little bummed, but it will be beautiful nonetheless. And I will now have to figure out something to do. So anyways, I'm just at a gas station. I'm gonna go in there and get some coffee for myself, and then I'm gonna hit the road. Wouldn't be a winter road trip without some snow, huh? Oh, so pretty. What a beautiful morning. So special to be here when it's actually snowing, because it doesn't snow in the desert all that often, but I have seen it before, so it's not the first time. First time I think I've actively seen it here, though. So this is the Forrest Gump, like, lookout area, but it's so, like, there's no visibility to see them. The big structure rocks are over there. I'm at the Northview Monument Valley viewpoint, waiting for the clouds to clear, hoping I can get a picture of them before I take off. Getting there. Well, it looked like it was going to clear enough for me to see all of the mittens and everything, but the longer I'm here, the more the weather changes, and I can't spend my whole day here, so I think I'm going to end up taking off. But I got exactly what I wished for, which was a nice slow morning. And honestly, I'm never in a bad mood when it's snowing, so. Well, I mean, that's not necessarily true, but it's for the most part true. I really do enjoy the snow. Oh, so cool, Monument Valley in the snow. when you get like, I guess it's a post snow is probably the best time to come check it out. Not during, because the clouds are so low. Looks like it cleared up just enough and right as I was about to drive away to see these three. The other ones are back there still in the clouds. How lucky am I? How cool. I love this place. Can see all of them. Oh my gosh. Even though the clouds are blocking the view, it's still pretty beautiful out here. A local recommended this spot to me once, and it is probably the best place to get a Navajo taco in all the places that I've tried. Just put in my takeout order. I'm so excited. So hungry too. This place advertises that they have good espresso, and so I got a cappuccino. That foam looks delightful. Now the real revealing. Oops. Oh my god. It just looks so amazing. Gotta dig in before this starts to get a little soggy. So far, delicious. This bread is just so airy and delightful. Not the healthiest thing in the world, but absolutely fire. So happy. I also had to get out and get a cup of snow for the road. Oh my goodness. Definitely a reminder to drive safe. Yikes. Hope everybody is okay. That looked bad. So I want to apologize on how uneventful today has been for you, because for me, I have been having a very lovely, relaxing day since I didn't really do anything this morning except for just kind of hang out in Monument Valley and enjoy the snow. I think in total so far I've driven like 4.5 hours today, and I do still have a couple more hours of driving, but I intend to do that after the sun goes down. I've made it to Horseshoe Bend, I'm super excited because they did get a little bit of snow earlier, and I am here for sunset. But I'm really excited because there's a lot of clouds here today, so it should be really pretty. This trail is 1.5 mile according to this, and just 137 feet of elevation gain. Normally takes people an hour and a half apparently to go down to the viewpoint and back. I can't imagine it taking that long. All Trails only says it takes people like 35 minutes, so maybe they're incorporating time that people spend taking photos. $10 admission. I have about 30 minutes until the sun goes down, so I'm going to walk out there now and enjoy and take some pretty pictures. Not too busy today compared to all the times that I've been here. Three-quarters of a mile or so until the viewpoint. Alright, just got here.
I really thought that the length I had would be good enough. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So you can basically go to keep.
諗緊點影？俾多幾個角度你自己揀。我同佢一個。驚，好驚。得意嘅。
Okay, say goodbye.
Yeah, I also don't know why.
Absolutely beautiful day. Even though I didn't do a whole lot. Heading south. That's the light coming from the city of Flagstaff. A few minutes away. Today is really turning into a splurge day. Feeling really, really bad today, but also really good. It's a long train. Home sweet home for the night. It is cold out there. I booked a last minute hotel to escape the cold, and I need to figure out what I want to do tomorrow because it'll be my last day on the road exploring for this little quick getaway trip. Today was a really nice day off, not really doing a whole lot, although I do wish I could have done some of the hikes that I wanted to do, but you know, the snow was pretty cool and I'm not mad about it. Hopefully you enjoyed it too, because there really wasn't a whole lot going on today for me to share with you. Anyways, tomorrow we'll conclude the full loop where I started in like Las Vegas area and then went all the way through all 5 national parks of Utah, down the eastern side of Utah into Monument Valley, over to Page, Arizona, where Horseshoe Bend is, south to Flagstaff, where I picked up dinner. If you were doing a road trip in this area for yourself, Flagstaff would be where you branch off to go to Sedona. Sedona is like one of my favorite places in the whole wide world, but I'm not going there this trip. And then the other spot in this area is the Grand Canyon. And the Grand Canyon is what I'm thinking I might do tomorrow, but I'm not totally sure. But that would conclude the loop. So from the Grand Canyon, you could go back to Las Vegas, or you could go down to Phoenix. But that would make the full loop. I'm tired. I'm gonna get ready for bed and yeah, take a nap and figure out what the heck I'm gonna do tomorrow with all of that time and all of this energy that I'll probably have. Sweet dreams.